This is stock footage. You've totally seen this before, and you're probably thinking to yourself, ew, that's really not that engaging at all. And I would agree with you, but guess what? This footage right here makes bank. But not like bank, like you're showering in money and it's like Donald Duck swimming through. It's Donald Duck? Who's the duck? One of the ducks swims in money. It's not that duck, okay? You're gonna be a different duck. The one that can probably afford car insurance on a reasonably priced car and maybe go on a trip to Mexico, but only when there's a really good sale during Black Friday. That type of bank. So since I started selling stock video 3 years ago, I have made approximately $28,131.27. That's approximately $9,377.09 per year. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to shoot stock video, best practices, and how to upload that so it actually sells. That way, one day you could be 100air, or if you really put the work in, 1,000air. Okay, so all joking aside, it's so important to have a strategy when you are shooting stock and uploading stock footage. There's already so much bad footage on the internet right now. That's when a lot of people, when they see stock footage, they always kind of just like roll their eyes at it. We need good, high quality footage. Don't be another person that litters on the internet with bad stock footage. Okay, so buyers generally want the following. One, forget. Trending topics happening in the world. They want trending topics that are happening in the world. Things like Halloween or celebrations that are going on that a lot of people attend, or just trending news stories. People want footage around those things. Number two, well shot, in focus, stable, and high resolution footage. Number three, footage with people in it with a variety of different emotions. So if you're shooting something, try to see if you can get multiple takes that have different emotions: sad, angry, happy. And if you want to go above and beyond, you will shoot footage in a sequence, because buyers like having a variety of shots that actually tell a story from the same scene. Massive step number one, you have to do this or you cannot sell stock footage. I don't know why I was so aggressive with that, but it's a really important step. Now I got a beard hair in my teeth. Ew. Ew. This is so gross. This is the worst moment ever caught on camera. Ew. Oh no. Oh man, I'm really making you sit on the edge of your seat for this one. You're like, what is this step? All of that to say that you need to have a model release and a property release, or you will not be able to sell your stock footage. It is so easy to get. There's literally apps that you can download on the App Store. I will link a few of my favorites below, the free ones as well as the more expensive ones. I use the $10 one. Okay, so let me show you my setup for shooting stock video. This is the Lumix S5 with a 24-70 f2.8 lens. It also has the Atomos Ninja V here on the top. Now, the reason why I like shooting with this setup is, number one, when you have this combo here, I can shoot 5.9K raw video. And the reason why that's a good thing when it comes to stock video is because the higher the resolution, it fetches a higher price point. So that's a really key thing. And also raw video could also capture a higher price point. On top of that, it has really great IBIS, which means that it has great image stabilization. So our final shot, when we're shooting 24 frames per second, is going to look really, really good when it's handheld. And then on top of that, I have this extra little mount right here to make it extra stable so that my footage will sell. Shaky footage doesn't sell. Stabilize your footage, or at least use a tripod. Another thing that you can do to increase your chances of someone buying your footage is shooting in the highest frame rates possible. We're talking 60 frames per second or higher. That means that editors or buyers have the chance to slow down their footage, and that increases its chances to sell. All right, so let's say you're just doing a normal shoot, whether it's for yourself or for a client. Rather than just shooting for the purposes of your video, let's say it's like 3-second clips, 5-second clips, shoot for 10 to 20-second clips so that you can sell that footage later for stock video. Now, the recommended sweet spot is around 15 seconds so that editors have flexibility in the post-production process. So whenever you're shooting video for stock, try to get as much out of the scene as possible. Shoot a variety of motions, shoot a variety of actions, and also get a variety of different shots and angles so that there's options for people to buy. All right, so let me show you how to prepare your footage for upload to stock sites. This is the post-production process. Now, this process will be different for everybody, but if you shot raw or you shot a flat profile like we did, all you need to do is import your footage and then throw a Rec 709 on it and then do minor tweaks to make sure that your image is corrected. If you shot just a normal picture profile, bring that footage in and just correct it ever so slightly so that at least it looks good. Now, let's say you shot slow-mo. We personally like to export in slow-mo. So let's say your slow motion clip is 15 seconds long, but if you sped it up to real time, make sure that it's a minimum 5 seconds so that it can be used in real time and in slow-mo. In terms of our export settings, we use ProRes 422 10-bit, and we never export with audio. That is such an important step. You can literally just check it off right here in Premiere Pro. I also have a little gift for you, so if anyone's having any trouble trying to do these export settings, I have some presets that you can just install right into Premiere Pro. You can get those for free if you sign up for my newsletter. On top of that, I have another gift for you. There is a free course that you'll instantly get when you sign up for the newsletter called 10 Days to Raise Your Rates, where each day I send out an email with all these tips and strategies to raise your rates as a creative so that you can make some more money. Links are in the description below for that. Okay, so moving on to metadata and keywording for uploading to stock websites. Now, this step is so important, maybe even more important than shooting good footage, because this is how people will find your footage to buy. Now, this is going to be a quick overview and best practices. So if you want to deep dive into this stuff, you can sign up for the Black Box Facebook group. I will leave a link below. There's so many useful resources there. Number one, title your clips as specific as possible. Here's an example. Great horned owl sits on a perch on a white screened background. You know what I did when I first did stuff like this? I would put owl on white background. Don't do that. No one will get it. Be very, very specific. Get that horned owl in there. Number two, get ready for it. It is recommended to put 35 to 49 keywords. I can't even think of that many words, but you have to put the effort in, and they have to be specific again. For example, let's say you have a beautiful drone shot of a forest. You can't just put green because the forest is green, because then it's going to get categorized with shots of like green pants, and then the algorithms will look and be like, hey, no one's clicking on this footage, and then you'll just not make any money. So be specific. When you are keywording, let the keywords give context to your shot. So let it answer the who, what, where, when, how, type of shot, angle of shot, and really hone in on the emotion or mood, because pro tip, most buyers are new and search with emotion. They're not searching like, I'm emotional while I'm searching. They search for the emotion of the clip that they're looking for. Now, this is going to sound super bougie, but I don't do any of my metadata because I'm so bad at it. I actually work with a curator who takes all of my footage, does the exporting and keywording and metadata, and we share in the profits of that footage. Now, I upload all of my stock footage to a website called blackbox.global. Now, I made a whole video about it right here if you guys want to go check it out. But essentially how it works is that I upload once to Blackbox. They upload to all of the stock sites that exist in the world. Then they collect the money that's made from those websites and they take 15%. I like this because you upload once, distribute all, collect money, and they take a very small percentage. And I can share in the revenue with a curator. That's a great system. Now, if you guys want to sign up for Blackbox, I will leave a link below. I'm going to leave a little asterisk right there. It is so important to have a good portfolio and good stock footage because they are not accepting that many people. So make sure you are putting your best foot forward in this situation because the bar is set very, very high. Here are two ideas that I'm going to leave you with to help you get started. Number one, you probably have tons of footage already sitting on a hard drive. Go and grab those hard drives and look through that and see if you have any stock footage that you can sell. And number two, anytime you're shooting something for a client, remember that the client owns the final video, generally not the raw footage. So that's a chance for you to shoot a little bit more when you're on that set and then make more money selling stock. And if you want to be extra bougie, you can do the whole Blackbox revenue sharing thing and make some extra money for your client, some people on talent on camera. It's a great system. So those are just some ideas to leave you with. If you guys like this video, please press like. It actually makes a difference and allows my video to get seen by more people. So it doesn't take long for you to go down there and press the like button. And while you're down there, press subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for future videos. And we will most definitely see you guys in the next one. If you have any tips about shooting stock footage that I missed, leave a comment below and we'll make a giant just forum for everybody to be the best stock footage shooters of the world. And this is the website. That's what my mom calls my YouTube videos. You should go see his website. It's so excellent. I love his website videos that he makes. He makes internet videos, Susan. It's pretty cool what he does. He works with Mercedes. I love you so much, Mom. Please don't hate me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.